What's up, people? If you're putting a 180 or S13 back together, or 240 SX, the rear seat belts, these are, they come with a bracket like that. They're pretty hard to find. I mean, you can obviously make it custom made if you can't find these. And the bolt size are that you can get these from eBay. I think it was 17 bucks or 10 or something like that. And the front seat belts, they normally sit inside this section right here, so it's bolt to bottom here, and it sits here and go all the way in. See, those are the brackets. Cheers.